Hey guys, so I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2018 which has the Capless gas, and whenever I go to the pump and I try to pump it with the auto click, it auto clicks off every time, so I can't actually like sit here, I have to hold it. So I figure out a way to trick it, I guess. So I just turn it upside down like that, and then it works. Then it doesn't click off anymore. So for some reason, the Jeeps that have the Capless, if you want to have it auto go, you just have to put the nozzle upside down and then it stays pumping. So that's how you have your Jeep able to have a manual pump. If you're on a manual pump, well, it clicked because I'm full. All right, have a good night or day, whatever. Bye.